Hello, my awesome scientists. So tonight you are going to learn two new vocabulary words. We're going to talk about conductivity, and we're going to talk about whether a material or a substance is a conductor or an insulator. Okay, so you need to have your journal out and get ready to get your journal set up for tonight's lesson. All right, you should be on page 22 in your journal, and the title of our page is Conductivity. So we are going to be, again, learning about this property of matter known as conductivity. And whenever we talk about conductivity, we ask this question about the matter that we are investigating. And that question is, does the material or substance allow heat or electricity through? So if we want to know if an object has the property of matter called conductivity, this is our big question that we will ask. And we have two words to describe whether or not a substance or material has the property of matter known as conductivity. That is conductor and insulator. So we are going to make a T-chart here. Now, I don't want your T-chart to go all the way down to the bottom, so it can stop about right there, leave a little space at the bottom. And we are going to write the word conductor and the word insulator. But we're not going to write them just any ordinary way. We're going to write them in a way, in a very arty way, that's going to help us remember what each of them does. So for conductor, we're going to make our C like a little electrical plug. Okay? So that is conductor, and we're going to write it like this. And then above my O's, I am going to write a G so that it says go. Okay? Because conductors let heat or electricity go. It lets it go through. Okay? That is a conductor. So if a material is a conductor, then it does have the property of conductivity. On the other hand, we have an insulator, which will do the opposite. So conductors let heat or electricity pass through, while insulators make it slow down or stop. So when we write insulator, we're going to make our I a stop sign. And then we're going to write the rest of the word. And then we're going to write our S is going to be slow. Okay, so here we can remember that conductors let heat or electricity go through an object or substance, while insulators cause that heat or electricity to stop or slow down and not let it go through as easily as a conductor would. Okay? Okay, so we have conductors and insulators. So mirror words. A conductor lets heat and electricity go through. Mirror words. An insulator causes heat or electricity to slow down or stop. Okay, so those are our two new vocabulary words. So tomorrow I'm going to expect you, when I say conductor, you're going to say let it go. And insulator, you're going to say slow or stop. So those are our two new words. Make sure you know them. And you're going to jot down right now a quick definition of each one in your journal on page 22. And I will see you tomorrow. All right, so conductors, we said, allow heat and electricity to pass through easily, while insulators do not allow heat and electricity to pass through easily. Okay, and sorry, my pen is not being my friend today on the Mimeo, but those are your notes. Tomorrow we will investigate heat conductivity and electrical conductivity and see some of these conductors and insulators in action.